Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app now. Top headlines for today are: Samrit launched to boost the startup ecosystem. Government to launch incentive to support telemedicine startups. STPI and Vadvani Foundation sign MOU for promoting startups. Now the news in detail are: Electronics and IT Minister Shri Ashwini Vaishnav has launched the Startup Accelerators of Meetway for Product Innovation, Development and Growth Program. Samrit focuses on accelerating 300 startups by providing international immersion, customer and investor connections, and also an investment of up to ₹40 lakhs to startups. The government is going to launch a special incentive scheme to support 75 startups in areas of telemedicine, digital health and artificial intelligence. They will identify the top 75 innovations along with the Board of Directors of Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council. Software Technology Parks of India and Vadvani Foundation's National Entrepreneurship Network have signed an MOU to promote entrepreneurship and create a nurturing ecosystem for startups incubated at STPI. Cryptocurrency fantasy gaming platform Rainmaker has been launched officially. It is the first cryptocurrency fantasy gaming platform in the world. The platform is now available on iTunes and Google Play Store. Delhivery has acquired Bangalore-based Spotan Logistics for an undisclosed amount to strengthen Delhivery's existing B2B capabilities. Spotan operates a pan-India network covering more than 300 locations and specializes in logistics services. Kirana 247 has raised $1 million in its run-up to pre-Series A round. The funds will be used to scale its fulfillment network and establish 40 micro-warehouses. Agritech robotics startup Tartan Sense has raised $5 million in Series A funding. The round was led by FMC Ventures and Omnivore. Investment firm Prime Venture Partners has announced the close of its Fund 4 of $100 million. Prime also announced that it is looking to expand its team by adding a fourth partner. Indian game development studio Super Gaming has raised $5.5 million in its Series A round from a group of investors. EdTech startup Camp K12 has raised $12 million in its Series A round, co-led by Matrix Partners India and Elevation Capital. That's all for today.